Hi children, this is the day 3 of class 7 and the topic is subtraction of integers. In previous classes we have learned about the what are integers, and in the second class we have learned about how to add the integers, and in the third topic it is how to subtract the integers. As in the addition, I will explain this in on the number line and without using the number line. Using the number line and without using the number line. Okay, the first thing I am explaining here it is by using the number line. Before saying by using the number line, when we are using the number line, we will discuss about we have to move forward or we have to move backward. These are the two things are most important. So to know that which side we have to move, forward or backward, these things we will find by using the sequence. I will explain the sequence once, so try to understand well. 7 minus 2 or 7 minus 3. So these are the subtractions we have learned very well. So you can answer it very well. 7 minus 3 is 4. So I am writing like this by using the brackets here. Try to understand. 7 minus plus 3 means 7 minus 3. The meaning is 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus plus 2. 7 chocolates are there. Plus 2 means 2 chocolates I ate. The answer is 5. 7 minus plus 1. The answer is 6. So see here carefully. I am following the sequence in the question. What is the sequence I am following? The first number I am not changing. I am keeping as usual. That is 777. The second number I am changing here. 3, 2, 1 means in what is the way I am changing here? 3, 2, 1 means I am decreasing 1, 1. Then follow the sequence in the questions and write the questions. 7 as usual minus, and I am decreasing 1. That's why it will be 0. Next 7 as usual minus, and I am decreasing the second number, that will be minus 1. Third, next 7 as usual minus and minus 2 because I need to decrease it here. 7 minus and minus 3, I need to decrease it here. Then what will be the answers? Just with the additions I said to you, when we followed the sequence in the question, we will get the sequence in the answers also. Here we followed the sequence in the question. Compulsory, we will get the answers also in sequence. So find out the sequence here. How is the sequence here? Answers are in sequence also. What is the answer sequence here? 4, 5, 6, next 7 exactly. Means what is happening here? We are increasing one number in the answer. That's why it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So answers we have written, but how we are getting? What is the way we are following? I said to you, when we are using number line, what we have to learn? Important thing is what? We need to move backward or we need to move forward. That is most important. So observe carefully here. Here we are subtracting positive. We are subtracting positive in these situations. And here we are subtracting negative. We are subtracting negative. In the first situations, we are subtracting positive, and here we are subtracting negative. See here, we are subtracting positive numbers. Here we are subtracting negative numbers. So when we are subtracting positive number, what is happening? You try to understand. 7. I am subtracting positive answer. Means we are getting answer, small answer than 7. See here, answer 5 is smaller than 7. The answer 6 is smaller than 7. Means when we are subtracting positive number, we are getting small answer. When we are subtracting positive, we are getting small answer. Small answer means we need to move backward. So here what should we do? We need to move we need to move backward because we are getting small answer. We need to get small answer. That's why we need to move backward. And observe here, when we are subtracting negative numbers, what the answers we are getting? You try to understand here. Big answers we are getting. 7 minus minus 1. 7. 8. Answer 8 is more than 7. Answer 9 is more than 7. Answer 10 is more than 7. So means what are you trying to understand here? When we are subtracting negative numbers, we need to get big answers. So we need to move forward. If you want to get the small answer, we need to move backward. When we are getting the big answer, we need to move forward. So this is the sequence we can understand here, and by using the sequence, we will write the two sentences. By using the two sentences, we can do the subtractions by the number line very easily. What are the two things we have learned here? When we are subtracting positives, when we are subtracting positive, we need to move because we need to get the small answer. That's why we need to move backward. When we are subtracting negative number, then we need to move because we are getting big answer there. That's why we need to move forward. These things we have learnt by the sequence. Once when we have done the sequence, from the sequence, we have learnt that when we are subtracting the positive, we need to move backward. When we are subtracting the negative, we need to move forward. Now we will do the examples. The example is plus 3 minus minus 4. Plus 3 minus minus 4. Which situation it is? What are you doing here? Subtracting. What you are subtracting? Negative. Subtracting negative. Which it is? Second one. Subtracting negative. So we need to move forward. So try to understand what is in the question. What are you doing? I am subtracting. Which we are subtracting? Negative. Subtracting negative. So what we have to do? Move forward. So take the number line and write the numbers on the number line. Write the negative numbers here. And first step we'll keep at plus 3. We'll keep at plus 3. And how many steps we need to move? 4 steps. Which side? When we are subtracting negative, we need to move forward. Forward 4 steps. That's why how do we say forward 4 steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why what will be the answer? Is plus 7. The answer is plus 7. Plus 2 minus minus 5 is the next question. So first of all, draw the number line and write the numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 3. The question is once again repeat. Plus 1 minus plus 5 means we are subtracting positive. Subtracting positive. See where it is? Subtracting positive. Here it is. Subtracting positive. When we are subtracting positive, we need to move backward. How many steps backward? 5 steps backward. Where is the first number? Plus 2. So what should we do? 5 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? The answer will be minus 3. So note these examples by holding the video. Then I will give some other two examples. The another two examples. So it is minus 3 plus, sorry, we are doing subtraction. Minus 3 minus 4 is the question. What are you doing? We are subtracting. What you are subtracting? Negative. Subtracting negative, which situation? This is the situation. Subtracting negative means we have to move forward. How many steps forward? 4 steps. So draw the number line. Left hand side negative numbers. So where is the first number? It is minus 3. Keep the hand at minus 3. So subtracting negative, move forward, 4 steps forward. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer will be plus 1. The answer will be plus 1. One more example, minus 2 minus plus 3. So draw the number line, write the numbers on the number line. Now keep the first finger at minus 2. Now what are you doing? Subtracting positive. Subtracting positive. Minus means subtracting, here plus means positive. Subtracting positive. Which is the situation? Is it first or second? Yes, it is first. Subtracting positive means we need to move backward. Number of steps? 3. 3 steps backward. 1, 2, 3. What will be the answer? This is minus 5. This is the way of doing subtractions by using the number line. Note these examples in your notebook. Then you can do the homework which I will give. Next, without using the number line, how do you do the subtractions? Additions you have learned without using the number line. How to do the subtractions without using the number line? The way of subtraction is also exactly like addition only. There is no different method you need to learn. You need to learn same method, but before learning the same method, we need to remove the brackets. After removing the brackets, what we have followed in the additions, the same thing we will follow here also in the subtractions. The first of all, I will say to you how to remove the brackets. You see, I am giving here plus 3 minus 4. Here, when we are removing the brackets, you see that here there is only one symbol we can remove easily. But the problem is here, we have one symbol in the bracket, one symbol out of the bracket. Then how do you write it is minus 4, means you will confuse. Because there are two symbols. So we need to avoid the two symbols and we need to arrange the one symbol. Instead of minus and minus, we need to write only one symbol. Instead of plus and minus, you need to write only one symbol. Instead of plus and plus, we need to write one symbol. Instead of minus and plus, we need to write one symbol. How to write the one symbol instead of two symbols? How do you write the one symbol instead of two symbols? So how do you write the one symbol instead of two symbols? By using this idea, we can write it. Just before in the additions, I said to you one more two sentences like this. Adding positive, move forward. In the second day class, I have explained this. Adding negative, move backward. I said to that is move backward. using that. You can write by using two symbols. How do you get one symbol? See this. Subtracting minus, positive plus. Subtracting positive. Subtracting means minus, positive means plus. We are moving backward. Backward means minus, forward means plus. Moving backward. So answer will be minus. Instead of two symbols, we are getting single symbol. Next, subtracting negative. Subtracting minus. Negative minus. Move forward. Forward means plus. Next, adding plus. Positive plus. Move forward. Move forward means what? Plus. Adding plus. Negative minus. Move backward. Backward means minus. So this is the way to write one symbol instead of two symbols. One symbol instead of two symbols. Can you say once again? Repeat it. Minus plus will become minus. Minus minus will become plus. Plus plus will become plus. Plus minus will become minus. So now we have to remember this to remove the brackets. After removing the brackets, the method which we have learnt yesterday, that is also the same method. So from after learning the integers, addition and subtraction both are same. There is no difference between the addition and subtraction. Method is same. Only what we will do, we will remove the brackets and then we will find out the situation. So next, finally we are going to learn this method, this symbol important, two symbols. So that is what here. That is what? Plus and plus. Two symbols plus and plus will become one plus. Minus and minus also will become plus. Plus and minus also will become minus. Minus and plus also will become minus. You need to remember that. Enough. Two symbols plus and plus. Two symbols will become plus. Minus and minus will become plus. Plus and minus will become minus. Minus and plus will become minus. When we need to convert like that, when two symbols are there side by side, we will confuse. Then we can convert into single symbol. When two symbols are side by side, then we will convert that into single symbol. Not any time. When two symbols are side by side, instead of these two symbols, we can write one symbol only like this. Now we will write some examples. So that is subtractions I am giving now. So try to write it. Minus 20 plus minus 30 I have given to you. Minus 20 minus 30. So simple. First of all, remove the brackets. When we are removing the brackets, if single symbol, no tension. If two symbols are there, use that method. You see here it is single symbol. Only one symbol is there, exactly I have written. Next time what happened here? Two symbols are there. Minus side by side are there. Minus minus. What is the single symbol? Plus. Minus and minus will become plus. Number 30. Minus and minus will become plus and it is 30. Now the answer is yesterday idea, means addition idea. How what I said to you, when we are adding both positives. Yesterday I have given to you three situations. Both positives, answer will be positive. Number we will get by addition. Both negatives, we will get answer negative. The number we will get by addition. Same method. Yesterday what you have learned, same method. One is positive and one is negative. Then what I said to you? If positive bigger, positive. If negative bigger, negative. And how do you get the answer? By subtraction. Positive big means positive. If negative bigger, negative. Answer how do you get? By subtraction. See which situation it is. Is it first one, second one or third one? Yes, it is third one because one is positive and one is negative. How do you get answer? You know that. Which is bigger? Positive bigger. So answer will be positive. How do you get it answer? By subtraction. By subtraction means 30 minus 20, 10. That is the way of doing subtractions. So one more. Minus 15 minus plus 12. So what do you do? First we will try to remove the brackets. One symbol only is there. That's why no tension. But here two symbols are there. What are the two symbols? One is minus, another one is plus. Minus, plus. Where it is minus, plus will become minus. When two symbols are there, we will convert that into one symbol. Minus, plus will become minus. And number is 12. Now the answer, yesterday method. Which situation it is? Both positive, both negative, one positive, one negative. Yes, both negative. First one also negative, second one also negative. When both negative, answer will be negative. How do you get the number? By adding the numbers 15 and 12 together, 27. Okay? Now we can do additions and subtractions all together in same method. Additions or subtractions we will do in the same method. Now onwards, we no need to think it is addition or subtraction. Don't think like that. Is it addition or is it subtraction? No need to think like that. Remove the brackets and use these three situations. Which situation it is? Is it first or second or third? You follow the answers in that method. No need to think about, no need to watch, no need to observe it is addition or subtraction, whatever it may be. So simple. So suppose you see here, I have given like that, plus 15 minus plus 12. You don't need to think it is addition or subtraction. Only we have to write it. You don't need to think about is it addition or subtraction. Nothing to see. Only directly what we have to do? Remove the brackets. Remove the brackets. Single symbol is there, no problem. Here two symbols are there. Plus and minus. Plus and minus. What you will get it? Minus. And number is 12. Now, what is the situation here? This is the third situation because one is positive and one is negative. How do you get the answer? Which is bigger? Positive bigger. Answer is positive. How do you get the answer? By subtraction. 15 and 12 subtract 52 you will get 3. So plus 17 minus plus 12. So how do you get it? Remove the brackets. Single, only one symbol, no problems. But here two symbols are there. Minus and plus. Minus and plus. What will be the single symbol for that? Minus. Number is 12. What is the situation here again? This is the situation of third. But one is positive, one is negative. Then how do you get the answer? Which is bigger here? 17 is positive bigger. How do you get the answer? By subtraction. 17 and 12 you will get it is 5. Minus 7 plus minus 3. So first what is the method? Remove the brackets. Only one symbol, no problem. Here two symbols are there. Plus, minus will become minus. Number is 3. Which is the situation here? Second, both are negatives. Negative, negative. When both are negatives, the answer will be negative. How do you get the answer? Number by adding 7 and 3 together, 10. So you can use this idea to join the two symbols. We can use this idea after getting the two numbers. We can find the final answer by using this method. But there is no addition and there is no subtraction. Only both together, even addition or subtraction. See, first of all, we have done subtraction, now we have done addition. But both we followed the same method. The both things we follow same method. For addition and subtraction, there will be the same method. So that's why only one thing you have to learn here: how to remove the brackets and how to simplify, how to get the final answer. How to remove the brackets, how to get the final answer. Remove the bracket first, final answer next. Remove the bracket, final answer. You see, now I will give more numbers also. See, it is plus 10 minus 30 minus 10 plus minus 10. This is my question. What we have to do now? First, remove the brackets. Here only one symbol is there, so no problem, directly you can write it. When second time you see here also single symbol, only one symbol only is there, inside no symbol. One symbol only is there, that's why no problem. But here it is two symbols are there, side by side two symbols, minus minus. So what should we write? Minus minus will become plus, and number is 10. Next, plus minus, two symbols are there again, plus minus. What will be the single symbol here for that? Minus. Number is 10. Now, at a time all we can't do. We will do one thing. Add all the positives and write positive. Add all the negatives and you write negatives. The meaning of that, you know that how much you have, this money you have, this is you have. This is you borrowed, this is you borrowed. Now I am asking you how much you have, means what you will say? These all we will add and say. Positive, positive, all the positives we add. 10 note, 10 note, 20 and we will write with the positive symbol. All the negatives you add and use the negative symbol. Negatives, all the negatives are there here, 30 and 10. Add them. 30 and 10, 40. So write symbol as 40. All positives you add and all negatives you add. After adding all positives, keep plus. After adding all negatives, keep minus. Now you see what is the situation here. Are they both positives? Are they both negatives? Or one is positive and negative? Yes, it is positive and negative. What is the idea for the positive and negative? Which is bigger? That one. Which is bigger here? 40 bigger. 40 is what? Negative. That's my answer. Negative. How do you get the number? By subtraction. By subtraction means 40 minus 20, 20. This is the way of doing. This is called as simplification. No addition, no subtraction. We are merging all the numbers and we are getting final single answer. Single number answer we are getting. This is called as simplification. Simplification. One more I will say to you. 12 minus minus 15 plus minus 12 minus 7. First of all, we will try to remove the symbols. When you are writing here, symbol is nothing, symbol is not there, plus also not there, minus also not there. When there is no symbol, we have to think that is plus. Here two symbols are there, minus, minus. We will use this system. Minus, minus will become plus. And here plus, minus. Two symbols are there again. Plus, minus. Plus, minus will become minus. And here only one symbol is there. So no problem, directly minus 7. Now you see what is the next situation. What should we do next? We add all positives and keep plus. Add all negatives and keep minus. Add all positives. These both are positives. Total 27. That's why it is plus 27. Negatives 12 and 7. Total 19. And keep minus. And finally, you see this. One positive, one negative. This is the situation. Which is bigger here? 27. That is what? Positive. That's why answer will be positive. And how do you get number? By subtraction. 27 minus 19 will be 8. The final answer is plus 8. So from now, what do you understand? When there is no addition and subtraction, all together we will say that as simplification. How do you do the simplification? We will remove the brackets. If there is no bracket, no problem. If the brackets are there, we will remove the brackets by using this system. When we have single symbol, we can write directly. When we are having the two symbols side by side, we will change the symbols like this. After getting that, if the more numbers are there, all the positives you will add and you will keep plus, all the negatives you will add and you will keep minus. Then we will use any one of the method here. Any one of the method means according to situation. If both are positive, first situation. If both are negative, second situation. If one is positive and negative, the third situation. So this is the way of doing subtractions. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.